mommies have been in here several times, one or more times, so we do have a couple new songs we should keep spicing things up a little. My mom's a special lady. I'm waiting for everybody. Scoot up just a little there, Carlos, and we're ready. Your hands are out of your pockets.
My mom's a special lady, I hug her every day. She gives me lots of food to eat and takes me out to play. My mommy reads me stories and I give sneakers too. I'm so glad I have a mom that loves me true.
Spring home now. Your parents probably know this one too. Here we go. Oh, we better start that again. Stop. Okay. This is good to remember these poems that we learned. This is a toughie one. This is one of the hardest ones. You guys can do it. Well, maybe not.